What happens when you trust a chatbot over a doctor? A recent case study reveals a startling answer, and it's a wake-up call for anyone relying on AI for health advice. But here's where it gets controversial. The man in question didn't just follow a random tip, he followed a recommendation from one of the most advanced AI systems in the world. And this is the part most people miss. The AI didn't outright lie. It just failed to mention the most critical detail. Let's break it down. The story begins with a man determined to improve his health by cutting back on salt. Seeking a substitute, he turned to ChatGPT, a tool many of us use for everything from writing emails to planning meals. The AI suggested sodium bromide, a compound chemically similar to table salt. But here's the catch. Sodium bromide isn't a food additive. It's a chemical used to sanitize hot tubs. The chatbot didn't clarify this, and the man proceeded to order it online and add it to his diet. 3 months later, he was rushed to the hospital with severe psychiatric symptoms, including paranoid delusions and hallucinations. Doctors discovered his bromide levels were 170 times higher than normal, a condition called bromism. This rare toxicity, once common in the early 1900s, was nearly eradicated after bromide-based medications were phased out. Yet here it was, resurfacing in the 21st century, thanks to a chatbot. The patient's case highlights a growing concern. AI systems, while impressive at generating text, lack the nuanced understanding to distinguish between a hot tub cleaner and a kitchen staple. As the study's authors note, a human expert would never have suggested sodium bromide for dietary use. But here's the bigger question. How many other AI-generated health tips are hiding similar risks? The researchers warn that chatbots can produce scientific inaccuracies and spread misinformation, especially when users treat them as infallible. And this is the part that sparks debate. Should we hold AI developers accountable for these gaps, or is the responsibility on users to verify advice? The man in this case was eventually treated and released, but the incident raises a critical issue. Can we trust AI with matters of life and death when it can't even differentiate between a food additive and a pool chemical? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AI will ever be reliable enough for medical advice? Or is human expertise irreplaceable? The study, published in the Annals of Internal Medicine Clinical Cases, serves as a cautionary tale. It's not just about one man's mistake. It's a reminder that technology, no matter how advanced, still needs a human touch to avoid disaster.